All right, I'm making these videos. There's a few different ones as a response to problems people often have when they're starting guitar. I get a lot of people that were taking lessons from other teachers. I get a lot of people that were taking lessons from videos by themselves, stuff like that, that have a lot of mistakes. So there's going to be a series of short videos here to help you not fall into these traps. So first thing, where to press. It seems pretty self-explanatory, but I've had a lot of students lately come in where somebody told them they should be pressing right in the middle between two frets. Okay? No. You should be pressing as close to the fret as you can get without muffling the string. In other words, just have your finger a little bit behind the center of the fret. Why? Because the string resonates from the fret down to the bridge. And so if I start pressing further back from the fret, what happens is that string starts to rise back up, and then it doesn't seat itself on the fret as well. For the note to ring well, you just want nice, clean contact with the fret and unobstructed vibration down to the bridge. If you're pressing back further, that string starts to rise up, doesn't sit on the fret as well. You have to press harder to get the same result. If you don't believe me, here's a little trick to try. Take a note, play as close to the fret as you can, and see how light you can play, how light you can press with your left hand and still have the note ring. And then slide that back. And what you'll find is the string starts to buzz. So always try and play as close to the fret as possible. If you watch me, even when I'm playing a lead, even when I'm playing fast, when I'm playing chords, I try and keep those fingers as close as possible to the frets. One other thing that I'll piggyback on this video, thumb position. Don't play like this. You'll see me do this. You'll see other guitar players do this. When you're starting off, your thumb should be halfway down the neck with the knuckle of the thumb pushing the guitar neck into your fingers. You don't have to be pressing real hard with your fingers from the front if you're pushing real hard to get the guitar neck into your fingers. Okay? Lots of people will sit there and press really hard from the front and just have this pad of the thumb acting as a shock absorber, so that all they're doing is wasting energy pressing from the front because that's being absorbed by the thumb pad. So always try and keep the best resistance is that knuckle at the end of the thumb on the thickest part of the neck pushing back. As you get better, as you get stronger, you'll be able to fix that. All right? That's it for now.